Disturbing facts that will keep you up at night. Jamaican edition. Nuff Duppy Dip on Blue Mountain Peak Trail. The man in the photo who people claim to be Paul Bogle, Jamaica's national hero, might not be an accurate image of him at all.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
When you steal a farm animal in Jamaica, there is a strong possibility that the farmer will curse you to make the same sound that animal makes until you meet your demise. Dovecot Road is one of the most haunted roads in Jamaica. When you take a taxi, there is a strong chance that you will be sitting beside a duppy. The thoughts of suicide in your head are not your thoughts. They are demons trying to manipulate you into taking your own life. Your dirty pillowcase has more germs than your toilet. This is what a horse's foot looks like without the hoof.